This is a slide of the trachea we studied before to see the epithelium, the pseudostratified columnar epithelium. This organ is supported by the C-shaped cartilage, and you can see here the two tips of the C-shape, and between the two tips we have a smooth muscle. It's called trachealis muscle. I'm interested in this slide at this area here, which is the hyaline cartilage. You can see here, this is the area of the epithelium. Then we have the trachea, and the area here and the area here, it's called the perichondrium. Two layers, inner cellular and outer fibrous. We increase the magnification. We start to see these cells inside the lacunae. These cells, the chondrocyte. As we said, once the cell is surrounded by the matrix, the name is changed into chondrocyte. Chondrocyte means these cells less active. The cells that found here are not completely surrounded by the matrix is called the chondroblast. And usually these cells are the active cells which are responsible for production, the matrix and the fibers. As we can see here, we can see the cells without any fibers. As we said, the refractive index of this fiber and the ground matrix are similar. So we could not differentiate between fibers and matrix. So only we can see is the matrix. Sometimes we can see in one lacunae we have only one chondrocyte. Sometimes we can see more than one cells, 2 or 4 or even more, up to 8 cells. This group of cells, when the lacunae have more than one cell, is called isogynous group. Isogynous group, this area here, and the area here, the area of the perichondrium, the cells, chondrocyte, and the cells that form the inner cellular layer of the perichondrium is called the chondrogenic cells. As we said, these chondrogenic cells will be transformed into chondroblast once these cells synthesize the matrix and the fiber and get surrounded by the matrix and fiber. This cell is called chondrocyte. See here the cells, the chondroblast, and the cell here is called the chondrogenic cells, and outer layer here, the outer fibrous layer of the perichondrium. As we can see here, we could not see any fibers because they have the same refractive index similar to the ground matrix. Chondrocyte, chondroblast, chondrogenic cells.